Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix front camera not working on iPhone. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. If your front camera is not working on all iPhone devices, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So firstly guys, you have to force restart your device because it may be some glitch in your device, that's why it's not working. So you have to force restart your device. It's depending on which model you are using. Okay guys, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the power gets there, then you have to make sure that you have a compatible glass on your iPhone. So you have to remove the glass and just simply clear camera from here, and just simply you have to renew your glass. Okay guys, and after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if once is there, just simply open setting and just simply look at for camera. Here it is guys, just simply go to preserve setting and just simply turn the toggle on for this. And after that check whether your phone has been fixed or not. And if the phone is there, then again go to settings, and then you have to tap on general, then go to software update and make sure that you don't have any pending update here. If you have, just simply update your device to the latest version. And again open setting and just simply tap on general, scroll it down, tap on transfer, reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting. So you have to reset network setting. This will delete all network setting, returning them to factory defaults. And again you have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.